But just as a refactor, I mean, this is Lenovo LePad.
This is the hybrid H1.
Okay.
So it features what would be the LePad.
The same one we just looked at. It's Windows 1.
So, okay, Android is booted.
Version of it.
Okay.
Is the LePad the tablet version only? And this is the, okay.
Yeah. So you see you're in the Windows format. This is i3, i5, it's a full Intel notebook computer. It's not a netbook, a full Intel notebook computer. You slide the little disconnect switch. Now watch how quick this is. This is Windows. That is Android.
Wow.
Right. So this is, now what we see is it's not just Android, it's our interface on top. We've had great success with this 4-panel interface. So this is everything that you could need in an Android PC. And then what makes it even better when I do that, it's standalone.
Awesome.
So now one of the things that we've done is typically, this is on 2.2. Typically 2.2 isn't good for big devices. So we've worked with the hardware and firmware guys, as you can see, to make the video look fantastic on 2.2. Kind of a hint of what 3.0 will be for the rest of the world.
And what version of Windows is it?
All right, it's Windows 7. Not Windows 7 Mobile, it's Windows 7.
Awesome.
So then back to this interface. So whether you want to do, whether it's browsing, now what's really neat is if I'm browsing here, I'm not Wi-Fi connected, but you'd have Wi-Fi and 3G. If you're Wi-Fi connected, when you go to click it back into the notebook, so I click it back in, I slide my switch over, it would bring up that website. So it's going to launch Internet Explorer now and bring up that website.
Very cool.
So that way you have consistency of browsing. So it'll be a nice piece of software, the interface between. So if I alter a Windows file or a Google Doc and I put it up on this device, I can get to that Google Doc later. So it's just really, really a fantastic device. With not only does it look really good, this is a full function notebook computer, and then the Android.
Awesome. What type of ports does it have on the...
This is a Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and this is an i3 or an i5.
But it has USB ports and...
Yeah, let me get it good and locked so I can close it. Yeah, so a USB, HDMI, USB.
Awesome. So, do you know where this is going to be available? Because the phone was available not really in the United States.
This right now is in China.
It is? Oh, okay.
It is starting to ship right now.
Okay.
And then by the 3.0, the honeycomb time frame, this will be US.
Okay. And is there any price range that you have?
Well, pricing for the US has not been determined.
Okay.
So in the Chinese price prices aren't RMB, but it roughly translates to around, if the Chinese price is about $1,300.
And how about Android market or the ability to download apps on...
Well, currently there is not, the Android market is not currently in China.
Okay.
So when we come to America, we will have a Lenovo marketplace, and we'll see about getting it to the Android marketplace. But that's 6 or 8 months out.
Great. Can you show us one more time just the taking off the tablet and turning it to Android?
You got it. So here we're perfectly in Windows, not Windows Mobile, but Windows. So now what is fast? So watch. I slide the switch, Android. And then I can click it out, and this is our interface. So this is what you would expect from an Android PC, an Android device. But then,
that's cool. What's the actual name of this product?
This is the Ideapad H1 Hybrid.
Ideapad H1 Hybrid.
Yeah.
And is the LePad this actual tablet
The LePad is what you could expect from this. All right.
Will it be pretty much the same exact thing?
Right. Now we also have that as over there, not yet shipping, the Windows Mobile version also for LePad.
Okay.
LePad is only in China? Or
This is all in China, yes.
How about LePad?
Yes.
China only.
So just a little bit more and then...
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Thank you very much.